Hello everyone. In preparation for an NFT contest which we will host on Moonchain, we would like to show everybody how they can create an NFT with MetaMask as well as with the AXS wallet. For this we will use Geneva today. When you open the Moonbeam wallet or AXS wallet, you would be presented this home screen, which is the home screen for our mainnet configuration. When you click onto the gear wheel and then you choose chain configuration, you click on Moonchain Geneva Testnet. Set this as a default network. By this, you get presented a little bit different interface, which is created for our Moonchain testnet. I will open the NFT application in the AXS or in the Moonbeam wallet. Okay, so here we have definitely enough MXC. I think it wouldn't even be necessary to take token from the faucet as our collection, so I just call it major term 13. Because I'm doing it from this emulated phone, I just have to take a dummy picture for our cover image as well as the profile image of the collection. These two pictures, the name and the description, are necessary entries when you want to deploy a collection. It's working pretty fine. Okay. Description, test. Okay. So we would also be able to set an MNS name and connect us with our NFT collection. Sadly here I don't have an URL prepared. You have to know that it's only possible to match one URL with one collection, so you won't be able to match two different collections with one single MNS name. Here you would be able to set a creator earnings percentage, which would mean in case your NFT would be sold, you would get this percentage as revenue or as earnings. Here you would be able to provide your website or your social handles and write them into the collection for people which are artists or something like that. This can be pretty interesting for getting it into your NFT. The category I don't choose now because it's more when it comes to real world assets. And currently here we are just using it to deploy an art NFT collection, I would say. I'm not sure why I don't get the right response. Okay. The collection should be created now. Okay, currently we don't have any items here. Okay, now when I reload it, I think we would see the collection I did. Maybe only when I create the item. For this, we have to choose a collection. And do I see the one which I just created? I hope so. Major Dome 13. Yeah, perfect. We choose the collection in which we want to deploy our NFT. For this, once more, I use this dummy picture. We once more have the opportunity to provide a description, which is in this case not necessary, but we will do it anyways. We leave it with test. I think this will be enough. Here we are able to provide a key value, key value traits. Here we could write creator. I'm not sure why it won't use it there. Creator. Maybe it would have been better. Yeah, I just do the R here. I will write me for making it as short as possible. I show you more on this when I do the creation with MetaMask. So here we once more would be able to choose if it would be a real-world collectible for which we want to mint our NFT, as well as we would have the opportunity to lock XSD in our NFT, but these two features are currently only working on mainnet, and on testnet they are still in development. The XSD locking would mean that you would be able to lock some stablecoin inside of your, what does it mean? Please type your collection name. Choose the collection name. So what's the issue? Doesn't make sense in my opinion. You would be able to lock the XSD inside of your NFT, which will bring a certain value with your NFT, but you only would be able to use this value if you would decide to burn the NFT. So you could choose to have the value as an NFT when it comes to collectibles or something like this, or you could burn your collectible if you prefer to have the XSD which are locked into it. So this is a possibility to provide some value when it comes to creating. Fail to load NFT metadata 0, not for sale. I don't know what happened here. I would like to create another. I skipped the item name. And not the collection name. We skip the description, we take our collection. We skip everything else and create our item. And now we don't get this mistake or this failure. And because of this, I'm really thinking that I missed to write the item name. And because of this, on the next screen, when it showed the item of the collection, or the items of the collection, our item wasn't shown properly. Okay, now we have two items. And here we have the right name now.